So the materials and tools we need for changing the spark plug of the 2013 Honda Accord are?
They are a 14mm socket, a 10mm socket, a ratchet wrench, a socket extension, a torque wrench, a pickup magnet, a cap gauge, anti-seize lubricant, and dielectric grease and spark plugs.
Okay, thanks, Matt.
You're welcome.
Okay, the first thing we have to do is to remove.
The engine cover.
We remove that by using a 10mm socket to remove this nut. And here, there, one here, and one there. So we have to remove 5 nuts with a 10mm socket. And remove the cover. So next we remove the 10mm nuts using a 10mm socket. So I went ahead and loosen it up and removed it. Then next we're gonna unclip the leads from the ignition coils. It's a little tough. I got a big hand too, so. These ones the toughest one to take out. Gotta get them clean. So next thing we have to do is we just loosen this clip here so we can lift this a little bit, the wiring harness that holds the leads. Next step is to remove the ignition coils. I'm just going to pull the ignition coil and put it on the side right there. So next thing we do is we remove the spark plugs. using a ratchet and an extension bar and a 14 millimeter spark plug socket wrench. So we'll use a magnet to remove spark plugs, scoop it up. So now we're gonna put in our new spark plugs. It's the same brand, Denso. So I'm putting the new spark plug, so I dabbed in a little bit of anti-seize into the threads. So the next time I'll removed it, it's gonna be easy. And next we have to torque it to specs. I'm using 16 foot-pounds. So before we install the ignition coils, we're going to apply a dab of dielectric grease to this area. Then the next we'll just insert the 10mm nut back. So after we tighten the bolt, the nut, we're gonna reinstall the leads, the ignition coil. Make sure they're in. And then we're gonna put back the cover. Okay, we're done putting it back together. So we'll just clean up and then we'll take it out of the garage. Thank you for watching again, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and see you soon. Thank you for watching, and hit the like button. Thank you.